Happy Saturday. Today I'm doing a unboxing and review or initial impressions of the Pallas Clutch from Louis Vuitton. So let's get started. We actually got this as a gift for my mom, and so we wanted to kind of give you a video of it and let you see what it looks like. So this is the It clutch right now from Louis Vuitton, very popular. It's the red, I believe black and the pink are pretty hard to find. I think the only one available online right now is the navy blue, which I actually love. I think the navy blue is such a classic color, but let's talk about this one. So this one is approximately, I forget how many inches. Hang on, hold, pause it. So this is the Pallas Clutch. It is 8.5 inches across by 5 inches tall, by 2.5 inches wide at the very base. And the Pallas Clutch is at a price point of about, I believe, $1,000 or $1,100 here in the US. And the reason for the slight increase compared to the all canvas bags is because it features the leather that you can see here. And right here is a pocket which you can conveniently slip your smartphone into, so you don't need to unzip. It's like really convenient for you to pull out your phone, take pictures, look up something, etc. It features gold hardware, as you can see here. So this zipper has the Louis Vuitton name on it. This is the gold hardware, which you can wear as a shoulder bag here, or you can, put it on your wrist, which looks a little awkward. I think it looks better as a shoulder bag with this height. It also comes with, so this strap is not removable. This has a lobster claw on one side with the LV logo on it, but this other side is not attachable. So I think you can actually detach, whoops, and use it as a wristlet here, if you so choose, or hold it as a clutch. Let me fold it this way. Oh, like this. And then also, what I really like about this bag is that it comes with a vachette strap, which you can wear as a shoulder bag or a crossbody. And personally, I love a crossbody or shoulder bag option just because I love being hands-free, especially when you're going to a more formal event. I like just having my hands free. I don't like having to carry something. For me, it eliminates the worry of me being a forgetful person and then possibly misplacing my clutch somewhere. But this is hands-free, so I'll show you mod shots of it as well. And this is the strap right here from Louis Vuitton that comes with the bag. This is the inside of the bag itself. Beautiful red lining that matches the leather interior. So whatever color you pick, the pink, the navy blue, or the black, it's gonna match the leather exterior on the outside. And oops, here's a little price tag. But yeah, this is the bag, and as you can see, this is the Louis Vuitton Paris. These clutches are made in Spain, just FYI. All the Pallas clutches are made in Spain, and it also has a little organizer pocket inside, so you can also just slip other things in there, whatever you choose, but it's rather spacious. So in terms of comparison with the other clutch, so I have the Pochette Felicie Love Lock here, which I reviewed in my other video, and as you can see, the size is actually pretty much the same. The Pallas clutch is going to be a little wider. So it's gonna have a little bit more give. Not only that, the Pochette Felicie is a little bit more structured, so you're not gonna have a whole lot of stretch in terms of what you can fit in there. I do like that the Pochette Felicie comes with the card holders and the little pouch for your cash. However, this one, what I've heard in comparison to the favorite MM is that it actually holds more. Because it is a zipper open top, you can actually fit more stuff in here. Not only that, the canvas is a little bit more pliable, which means you can actually get away with stuffing this bag a little bit more than you can with the Pochette Felicie or even the favorite MM. or favorite PM, which is about this size, I believe. The favorite PM is about 8.5 inches. The MM size is about 10 inches. But just the feedback that we've heard from people, including the sales associates at Louis Vuitton, they love this Pallas Clutch just because you can stuff it a little bit more. The zipper top is really convenient because there's not gonna be the hardware tarnishing or getting scratched up like it would on the favorite PM or MM. And also, you know, it's just more secure just in terms of the zipper function. So as overall impressions go and as an unboxing goes, I definitely recommend this Pallas Clutch. I think that is perfect for that little pop of color. It also can hold a little bit more than the other clutches in my opinion. So let me go ahead and give you some mod shots as well. This is the Pallas Clutch as a crossbody. This is it as a shoulder bag. And let me show you how it looks as a even shorter shoulder bag with just the gold chain that comes with it. Pardon me as I go ahead and reattach this side. So cute. I love that it comes with the gold chain and the Pochette leather. So this is it as a little shoulder bag. Not bad, right? Let me know what your thoughts are. If you have this bag or if you have any additional questions, feel free to comment below. Please like and subscribe.